Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the next candle indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the next candle indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 46 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 511 indicators, with 212 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the next candle indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I had to go in and make a slight change to this, and so I changed the inner range right here at the bottom. I bumped up the opacity of that to 50, so that way it stands out a little bit more. And what we're looking for is kind of like similar to like an RSI MACD type kind of setup, is that we have the green and red oscillating line kind of moving somewhat with each other there. And what we're looking for is for both of those lines, both, like I said, the green and the red, to break out above the yellow zone, the yellow middle zone here. And once that happens, we are then looking for both of those lines to cross back down into the middle zone. And so you can think of the area above the yellow zone, and we can go ahead and turn that off. What we are looking, or what you can think of, is the yellow zone, the area above it being a overbought type zone, and the area below it being an oversold type zone. And so we're looking for price or the oscillating lines to get up into that over extreme, either overbought or oversold, and then to look for a reversal of it coming back into the middle zone, or a reversal in the price action. So that is the theory behind it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this outer back on because it does seem a little bit easier just to kind of see everything. All right, let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a short signal right here. Both those lines peaked up there above that yellow zone for just a moment and then crossed back down into that middle area there, giving us a short signal. Price action comes down and gets us to take profit pretty easily there. Then we pick up a long over here on this side. We get a nice little push to the upside, but it isn't quite enough to hit that 90 pip take profit before price then rolls over and takes a drop to the downside, and so that one does get us stopped out. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here, get everything in focus, and then we will count it out. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have 16 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator's interesting. It's a little glitchy, a little just fast in its movement, and causes these spikes with just the slightest bit of kind of movement in price. So just a slight pullback, even one candle, you get a really big spike in one direction or another, and so caused a good deal of false signals to take place. But there were also some decent signals that took place, and so yeah, it's a shame this one wasn't able to do a little bit better, but nonetheless, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.